Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
I'm Elisa. Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Elizabeth Changa, 32 years old, married, and I have one child, 5 years old.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Two brothers and 5 sisters.
And what is your position in the family?
I'm the youngest
Okay. Who will look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
husband and family.
So your husband and your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes.
Okay. And what is your educational attainment?
My highest educational attainment is high school graduate.
Are you an ex-abroad?
Expert, no.
So you have work experience before here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve? For the 4 members?
Couple and two children.
How old the kids?
Newborn baby and 3 years old.
Okay. Are they both boys or girls?
Both girls, ma'am.
So what is your duties and responsibilities as a helper?
As a lot of preparing cooking meals and preparing washing the dishes and cleaning the house and preparing the feeding.
So you do take care of the kids also, right?
Yes.
So how do you take care of the newborn baby?
Preparing the milk now.
How about taking about the baby? You also do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of my family needs and some future.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers need.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'll just concentrate myself doing cooking.
So just concentrate yourself doing household chores.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper? You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids? Okay. Are you willing also to look for a newly born baby?
Yes.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, please hire me and a loyal and hardworking woman. Please hire me as a domestic helper. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2210.